Hello, this is Itai Leviton doing an interesting analysis on gold for Forex Live, and I will show how some algos and traders may be seeing a double resistance here on the weekly. So first of all, we've got this Fibonacci. I don't use it a lot. I kind of rarely use it, but in this case, a shout out to another trader named Steven that showed it to me, and I said, I see that prices may be reacting. So for me, one thing is to keep an open mind and also be open to other ways to look at this market and also understand that there's other algos and traders doing a different analysis than you. And then, secondly, and more important, we want to see price starting to react there, and then that can validate the pattern or the system that is being used, like binoculars looking in the market and validating that binocular. So let me show you an example here. The Fibonacci extension line is starting at this low, set at this low in September 2022. And the 100 line is over here at August 3rd of August 2020, and as well as close very to this high and to this high, both around the 2070 or so. Now we extend that, and we've got the 1.68 at 2,359, and we got so far to a high of 2,365. Very, very close to it, and it is common also to pierce levels like resistance and support. So that is basically the price has reached that. And we see on the weekly, because I'm on a weekly time frame, we see that we have a bit of currently doji. Of course, it's not closed, it's not final, but we are 3 days out of five over for the week, and we see an initial sign that this may have been rejected at this level of the 1.618 Fibonacci line. But we also have something in addition to that. It's always nice to confirm resistance or support by more than one view. So I can see, the measured move here from this low of September 2022 to May 2023. And I put this trend line just to look at this. Why isn't it giving me that? I need to put it maybe forward first of all. Okay, there we go. Sorry, just a bit of a delay because of the video. So I'm going to basically clone it, and I'm going to start it at over here at this pivot point, because basically what we have an upwards movement and then a bit of a retracement, which is also, this is a bull flag, and then going up again. And a lot of times, as a lot of you know, this is a measured move, and we can assess the distance. Now, of course, it's not exactly the right angle. We want to see that more or less it's there, and we see that more or less it's there. Okay. Again, it's not super precise because there's a different angle to this up movement or to this movement. We could also look just at the horizontal. Uh, um, let's do that. Let's put a magnet here so we have it exactly. Sorry, I want this tool. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Actually, I can use also the square. Bear with me just a minute. Okay, I can basically look at this square over here and then clone it. So I have exactly the same square, and then put it here. and I see it's basically ending just below where the current price is at about 2,317. A lot of times with the measured move, we have a piercing over the measured move or just under it. But this is the ballpark, okay? So if for the matter, for the sake of the point, we are in a double resistance on the weekly for gold, okay? If certain algos, specifically looking at Fibonacci, if they've been taking a short over here near, say, 18,500, okay, they've got massive profits. Okay, some of them are leveraged. They've got a massive profit of about 24, 25%. Okay, so if they see that now they're in the Fibonacci of the 1.618, then they will want to they will want to mitigate the risk and take partial profit, if not exit entirely. But even if they take half off, that might be a lot of outflow coming out of the market because we're talking about big firms doing that. So they've got big positions, and when they take partial profits, that's also big. So, in summary, we have a possible resistance on the weekly for gold, and this should make you consider, in my humble opinion, to possibly also take partial profits if you're on long. If you're entering new longs, would be careful. Perhaps even speculate a short at your own risk and at your consideration.